Hey guys, what's happening? How to activate two-factor authentication on Binance. To activate 2FA on your Binance account, go ahead to the security settings in your Binance profile. So I'm going to show you now. Right? Click your avatar icon in the top left. Okay. Let me close this. Right here. Now click your avatar icon here on the top left again. Below, you're going to see security. Go ahead to the security. Right? Inside, what you're going to do, you're going to select or tap Authenticator app. And from there, they're going to generate a setup key from which you can go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and download 2FA or two-factor authentication. Right? In our case, we're going to download Google Authenticator because it's well known in any platform. So if you're trying to set up Authenticator app, Google Authenticator will be your way. Now after you download it, go ahead to Google Authenticator. Given the fact that I already set up my Google Authentication, then you gotta just move on with the on-screen instructions, and they're gonna give you a setup key. Now what you're gonna do with the setup key, hit the plus button at the bottom right, press enter a setup key, and add a title. Let's say Binance, and add your email, right? If you have more than one email on Binance. And this is where you're gonna add your serial key, right? Or the setup key, and hit add eventually. Basically, that's it. You can either scan the QR code or copy that setup key into the Google Authenticator app. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.